I'm from Slovenia, Europe.
Slovenia? Wow. Welcome to San Diego. Awesome to have you, man.
Hey, what's up, guys? You're good.
How's it going?
Nice to see you.
What's up?
You're a fan from Slovenia, Europe.
Oh, man.
Shaq, I'm your fan, 20 years.
What's up, buddy?
What's up? I'm from Europe, Slovenia. I got a present for you. A little keychain. That's my Twitch channel.
Laying down,
Dinotti.
messy looking motherfucker.
Nice to see you. Just shake your
I
hand.
really appreciate it. Nice seeing you.
So Shaq. Snoop, something for you. My Twitch channel.
Where you from?
I'm from Slovenia, Europe.
Oh, Slovenia. I've been there before. I know about y'all.
I know.
Y'all women is all right. Hey,
I don't know.
Nice to see you, man. Hey, what's up, Chris?
Hi, buddy.
I'm your fan. You know, I'm from Slovenia, guys.
What's up, man?
We know this guy. Woo! Huge Twitcher.
Hell yeah, man.
Yeah. Check me out sometimes. I'm Dinotti.
Dinotti?
Yeah.
Gosh, baby, cards, something, bro.
I got.
Come on, baby, time for it now. Gotcha, baby.
Thank you. Ooh, nice to see you. Can I give you two? Oh, yeah. Check it out. Enjoy. You're awesome, guys. Awesome. Just continue. That's it.